Torque fam? It's your boy TORqueTV live in the flesh. Today we're gonna be putting on the Motordyne 516 plenum spacer. I'm here with my mechanic because I had other stuff to do to the car, so I'm just gonna do it here with him. This is totally a DIY, so stay tuned. But the first thing you gotta do, obviously, is disconnect your intake, and then you want to undo all the bolts here. So after we get all of that done, I'll show you guys what it looks like with the plenum taken off, and then we're going to put the plenum spacer on and go on from there. Just took the intake off, the top of the intake, so that's what it's looking like from here. We're going to clean this up because I'm having some idling issues, so we're going to see if cleaning the throttle body will help that. I'll let you guys know after the video is done. All right, I just put this here. All the holes line up, so this is definitely the way to go. All you have to do is lift it. Oh, dude, that's a lot of gunk in there. You see that?
Yeah, I'm trying to keep these hose water here because it's hot right now, so I'm gonna wait, cool down a little bit. So
yeah.
Disconnect.
All right, guys. So this is what it looks like under here. It's not that bad.
Nah, it's not.
You know, I don't have that, you know, many miles on it, but it's not that bad under here. So where the hell is the spacer? Oh, here it is. So we're gonna put this spacer on, and yeah, I'll show you guys that too. Now this is what a plenum looks like. I have 68,000 miles on it. You see all the gunk in there. This is brake cleaning. Gonna clean that right up. I would advise wearing a mask or like spraying it in a ventilated area because it smells like nail polish.
See how it? How's the different inside look?
Y'all see all that gunk in there? Yeah. So he's gonna spray this up. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like afterwards. All right, let me show y'all what it looks like now.
Let me take that.
Oh, you gotta dump that?
Yeah.
Look at all that carbon build up. Yep, it's clear. And this is just general maintenance, people.
See how it come off at the bottom?
Yeah, look at that. Look at all of that. This is just general maintenance. Look how nasty that is. Look at that. Oh man, look at that. General maintenance, people. This is how you save your horsepower right here, man. Keep up with your cars. If you really care about them, keep up with your cars. General maintenance is important. Yep, you guys see how clean that is, man. Come on, man. My boy Franklin. Look at him. Yeah, he got the fresh cut. Yeah. So this is the clean side of the lower plenum, and you guys can see all the buildup. That is literally oil and air. We're gonna clean all of this up. Like I said, general maintenance will bring you back a little bit of horsepower, but it's also good to do it when you're doing a plenum spacer or anything with the plenum. I would highly suggest cleaning this. Ordered some brake cleaner, sprayed it on a cloth, and did some extra cleaning.
Now it's new.
Now it looks pretty much brand new. I mean, we got a little bit, but compared to how it was before, this looks a lot better. Got the Vordovens on. Unfortunately, I am selling these today. I know y'all like them so much. Yeah, I know. But I'm going a different route. I may rebuy them you know, and put them on a car later down the road. But at the moment, there are different priorities. Hopefully, you'll see that in the next video, and you'll probably be happy that I sold them for what I'm buying. So stay tuned. He got the gloves. My hands are dirty, but you know I'm gonna let him handle this part because he has the gloves.
No, you're not.
Yeah, that's true. Look at this thing though. It was just white. Yo, what you doing there? What you doing to the hole, man?
Oh, she feeling good. She liked it.
But yeah, guys, I'll get back to you when we put this on. I'm gonna give you guys the first startup, and yeah. But all you have to do, we're gonna put this there. We're gonna put this on top of it, and then Motordyne supplied us with some bolts. I guess they're like extended bolts or whatever to put on it. And once you have all of that screwed down, you plug your intake back up, and that's literally it. This is a simple DIY. You know, 20 minutes, you could get this done in 20 minutes. I would say 35 minutes tops if you're unexperienced. They do come with manual, but we're not going to use that because it's pretty straightforward. So, yeah, I mean.
Take these out.
Right there. Okay, we good with that. Hose match. Now we're gonna put that. I'll be right back. One thing we did come across was this. If you guys don't understand what this is a washer. That is a nut right there, and pretty much you put the nut through here, and obviously the nut will go through like this, and then a washer, you have to have the washer at the bottom of the plenum and the inside, and then take the nut from the top and just screw it in. That's what that is, if you guys get confused on that. But this is where I'm at right now. I'm about to finish this and get back to you. Also, if you want to clean this, I grabbed a rubber, where is this thing? I grabbed this, a wire brush, and I just literally just scratched it up a little bit. You guys will see from the beginning of the video, it's a lot cleaner. But yeah, let's get straight to it. Another thing I didn't realize is we have to take, we gotta remove this and put in the regular ones that they supplied, the extended ones. Place these two on each side with one of these, but it makes no sense because they should have sent us extended versions of these and not just that. Guys, so another thing you want to remember is you want to do these by hand. You don't really want to tighten them more than 100 pounds of torque. Inch, whatever he said. Yeah. Okay.
This pound is inch.
Yes, what he said.
If you go pound, you're gonna break it right away.
Then you just want to make sure you go over all of the bolts. Make sure they're tight, because you may forget something.
They go by sequence. They start in the middle. Start like right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you go around.
We did all that, right? These are all tight?
Nah, I just got it. It started. We will.
And yeah, so these are pretty much hand tightened at the moment, except for this one in the back. And yeah, I'll see y'all when we start it up and put the intake in and all that stuff. Final step, it is not required, but I would suggest doing it, is the ECU accelerator pedal reset. I'm not gonna show you guys it because I want to read it and go through the steps, but you guys should definitely do this. Everything's installed. What's good, Torque fam? It's your boy Torque. So pretty much I'm gonna give you an update on the 5/16 Plenum, cleaning the throttle body to let you know if it fixed my idling issue. And yeah, so pretty much after I did the ECU reset, my car ran a little weird. Like the idle was high. It was idling while the car was warm as if it was cold. So the pitch was extremely high. It was a high pitch. And I'm thinking, I'm like, all right, I'm gonna drive it around, let the ECU, calibrate and, get used to the mods. Didn't happen. I had to wait. Well, I didn't have to wait. I waited till the next day to see if anything would change. Nothing changed. So I reset the whole car. I just took the negative terminal off for more than 10 seconds, put it back on. Idle's perfect. So the throttle body, that definitely helped, the idling situation. 5/16, you definitely feel gains like instantly. You definitely feel that right away. So I would recommend getting a 5/16 Plenum spacer from Motordyne, and that's really it. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, share the video, comment in the comment section what you want, and we out. TORqueTV.